everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna do my makeup using lipsticks. Like I'm gonna use my lipsticks to the fullest, and my eyeshadow look, my cheeks, my contour, my highlighter also all are done using lipsticks. And for my highlighter I have used a trick, and if you want to know that you have to watch this video till the end. And yeah, if you want to know how I get this look using lipsticks only, then please continue watching. Alright, so first I'm gonna contour. This is like a proper brown color, nude color, and this is the Miss Claire, and this is a creamy based lipstick. So this is really good for contouring because it helps you to blend very smoothly and easily. And now I'm gonna blend using this round brush, the contour brush. You can use a beauty blender as well. And now I'm just gonna blend it, and you'll see how seamless it will blend. Like no effort at all, because it is a cream based product. It is like a soft creamy lipstick. So you can see how natural this is looking like. Yes, so now for blush, I'm gonna use these two lipsticks, and this is what I basically use. This one is from YSL. It is a very creamy lipstick which has a pink and crimson sort of color, so this looks really pretty. And this is from L'Oreal Paris, and this is the shade I Rule. This is a soft pink lilac sort of color, and this also looks very pretty when you apply it as blush. So first I'm gonna use this one only. And again, you need to work very fast while using this lipstick. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna dab it like this way. So using a lipstick as your blush is like the best possible way you are using your lipstick, like to the fullest, because you don't need to purchase so many color of blush like coral, peach, nude. And now I'm going to top it with this, because this is like a pure creamy kind of lipstick, so it will give some dewiness to my blush, that's why. And this is how the color looks like. It is such a chic and beautiful. Alright, now let's complete the eyes. So I'm going to use these two colors. Basically I'm going to do some brown eyeshadow look, and I'm going to use two shades of brown. One is this light one for my inner corners and my transition, and one is the dark one. This is a sort of deep brown wine sort of color for my outer corners. So let's create. And all I'm going to do is, first I'm going to take this nude lipstick, and I'm just going to apply it on my crease like this way. And same here as well, like on my crease. And now you can either use your finger or a blending brush. I'm going to go in with the blending brush. So just blend it like your regular eyeshadows. So I think this color is really very light. So I'm not going to go in with this color again. For my inner corners, I'm going to take some different shade of brown for my inner corners. This works really well as a transition color. So I'm going to take this color, I Amaze. This is a sort of brown and terracotta sort of color. So I'm just going to apply it all over my lids. And now I'm just going to pat my blending brush on this. So yeah, this is helpful when you are traveling or you are on vacation or whatever, and you don't want to carry so much products with you. So lipstick, they come really handy at that time. So again, you just need to pat it like this way, in diffusing this color with the transition color. Yes, and now to deepen my outer corners, I'm gonna take this color from Sephora just to add depth on my outer corners. And I'm just gonna place a dot of it. And now taking the same brush, first I'm gonna tap it, and now I'm gonna move this brush and color all over, because this is just to deepen my outer corners. So I'm just gonna apply it there only, and I'm gonna drag it outwards like this. Look at the difference. This is looking so flat, and this one has some depth. So I'm gonna directly go in with the darker color, and very lightly I'm just gonna apply it like this way. And now taking the same blending brush, and also have you noticed that for my whole eye look I have used this single brush. So yes, when you are traveling, when you are somewhere out, this all thing comes really handy because just one brush is needed. And now I'm gonna blend it like this way to my lower lash line. Alright guys, so the mascara is done and now we are left with two steps, the highlighter and the lipstick. So for highlighter, I'm gonna use a lip gloss. So this is the Matte and Pearly Gloss from Miss Claire, and this is what I'm gonna use. Okay, so this highlighter trick looks so pretty, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little on my finger and add it here. And yes, now I'm gonna apply lipstick, but I'm really confused like what color to use. So I'm gonna apply the same color I Amaze from L'Oreal Paris as my lip color. Alright guys, so that's it with this video, and I really hope you guys have learned something new today, and thank you all for joining me. If you have learned something new today, then please do share this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, if there is any query or any recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.